Drone delivery. Revolutionizing how we receive packages. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring an exciting and modern topic: drone delivery. This concept is becoming increasingly popular around the world, and it's important to understand what it means and how it works. So, let's dive in and explore the world of drone delivery. The phrase, drone delivery, combines two words, drone and delivery. A drone is an unmanned aircraft that can fly autonomously or be controlled remotely. Delivery refers to the process of transporting goods from one place to another. Together, drone delivery means the transportation of packages to their destination using drones. This method is fast, efficient, and requires minimal human intervention. Drone delivery works by using drones to transport packages from a central location, like a warehouse, directly to the recipient's address. Here's a simple breakdown. 1. Order placement. A customer places an order online. 2. Package preparation. The package is prepared and loaded onto a drone. 3. Autonomous flight. The drone flies autonomously, following a preset route, to the delivery address. 4. Package drop-off. The drone safely drops off the package at the destination. 5. Return. The drone returns to its base. Advantages. Speed. Drones can deliver items much faster than traditional methods. Accessibility. They can reach remote or difficult-to-access areas. Environmental impact. Drones produce fewer emissions compared to delivery trucks. Challenges. Weather dependency. Drones can be affected by bad weather conditions. Limited capacity. Drones can carry only small packages. Regulatory hurdles. There are still many legal and safety regulations to be addressed. Drone delivery is still a developing technology with immense potential. It promises to change how we receive packages, especially in areas where traditional delivery methods are less effective. As technology advances, we can expect drone delivery to become more common, offering faster and more efficient delivery options. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of drone delivery. It's an innovative and evolving field that's shaping the future of logistics and e-commerce. Stay tuned for more interesting topics, and keep learning.